certain polynomials by using their factors. That means their factors will be given. We have to form a polynomial, especially quadratic polynomial, quadratic and cubic polynomial. Okay, so these are the two polynomials that we can form by using their factors. Okay, for example, you take a quadratic polynomial. The factors are x minus a and x minus b. So these are the factors. These are the two factors of a quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial means a polynomial whose degree is 2. So it has at most two factors. Okay. So here, let the two factors are x minus a and x minus b, where a and b are any real numbers. So then, how to form a quadratic polynomial? Quadratic polynomial f(x) is equal to k into x square minus a plus b of x plus ab. A plus b of x plus ab, where k belongs to any real number, but k is not equal to 0. Okay, k is a number which can be any real number but not equal to 0. If it becomes 0, this polynomial becomes 0. Okay. So now I will take one example. Let the factors are x minus 2 and x minus 3. X minus 2 and x minus 3. So here x minus a, x minus b. In place of a, 2 is there. In place of b, 3 is there. So a is equal to 2, b is equal to 3. Then how to form the quadratic polynomial? Let the quadratic polynomial f(x). f(x) is equal to x square minus k into x square minus a plus b of x plus ab. That is equal to k into x square minus 2 plus 3 of x plus 2 into 3, which is equal to k into x square minus 2 plus 3 is equal to 5x plus 2 into 3 is equal to 6. Okay, so you can take any value of k. Let k is equal to 1. So the fx is equal to 1 into x square minus 5x plus 6, which is equal to fx is equal to x square minus 5x plus 6. So like that we can form a quadratic polynomial by using their factors. Okay. Now the next one is how to form a cubic polynomial. Okay. So quadratic polynomial is over. Now we'll come about cubic polynomial. Okay. So cubic polynomial means a polynomial which has at most 3 factors. So let the factors are x minus a, x minus b, x minus c. Then, so 3 factors. Cubic polynomial has 3 factors because the cubic polynomial is the degree is 3. So it has at most 3 factors. Okay. Now how to find the polynomial? That means how to form a polynomial with the given factors. f(x) is equal to k into x cube minus a plus b plus c of x plus of x square. Sorry, x cube minus a plus b plus c of x square plus ab plus bc plus ca of x minus abc. Once again, f(x) is equal to k into x cube minus a plus b plus c of x square quotient plus ab plus bc plus ca of x minus abc plus minus plus minus. Okay, the term carries that sign. Okay, now so this is the structure of the cubic polynomial. As usual, k belongs to a real number, k is not equal to 0. The condition already applied. Okay. Now we will take an example. Let us take x minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 3. So these are the three factors. That means the factors are given. The factors are given and you are asked to form a cubic polynomial with the given factors. So fx is equal to, or you can take gx is equal to, or hx is equal to, whatever you like. No? Fx is equal to. So here x minus a, x minus b, x minus c. X minus c. So a is equal to 1, b is equal to 2, c is equal to 3. A is equal to 1. So b is equal to 2, c is equal to 3. Okay, so like that. Now, once again, we will write the structure, generalized structure, k into x cube minus a plus b plus c of x square quotient plus minus plus ab plus bc plus ca of x quotient, x cube, x square quotient minus abc constant. Now apply k into x cube as usual minus a plus b plus c 1 plus 2 plus 3 of x square plus ab plus bc plus ca 1 into 2 ab plus bc 2 into 3 plus ca 3 into 1 of x. AB 1 into 2 plus BC 2 into 3 plus CA 3 into 1 of x quotient minus ABC 1 into 2 into 3. Now K into x cube minus 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 6. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 square plus 1 into 2 is equal to 2 plus 2 into 3 is equal to 6. 3 into 1 is equal to 3 of x minus 1 into 2 into 1 into 2 3. 2 3 is a 6, sorry. 1 into 2 is 2. 2 into 3 is 6. That is equal to k into x cube minus 6x square plus 6 plus 2 8. 8 plus 3 11. 11x minus 6. So let k is equal to 1. So fx is equal to 1 into x cube minus 6x square plus 11x minus 6. That gives x cube minus 6x square plus 11x minus 6. Here is the required cubic polynomial. Like that we can form a quadratic polynomial and cubic polynomial with the given factors. Hope you understood this. Thank you very much for watching this video. Keep subscribing to Praveen Tutorials. Thank you.